6.
And suddenly,
It's a 6-point
range. Ano?
Humingi ng bola si Quad the post kasi ang bantay niya si Pugoy. He wanted to create something there. But Scotty steps back.
Ginebra beginning to percolate in this crucial part of the ball game. Suddenly, it's a 9-point lead by Ginebra with 7:26 to go. Whacking bodies. Marge Pinto gets Ostana dancing in the air. This will work. A big shot.
Malaki yung bagay yung 2 free throws kanina eh.
Stan Hardinger, hand off now to Scotty. Back to Stan Hardinger. The zip over to Pinto. Two in a row. Big ones from Marge Pinto. We are in. Stan Hardinger bulldozes his way through. Scotty 3 for a 3. Yes!
Another assist by Christian. But Scotty coming to the rescue.
Timeout by TNT. A bigger smile from Tim Gunn, who has not smiled that much here tonight.